Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I just want to welcome you, and if you're a return subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back and show your love and support to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful headband wig. And this headband wig is going to be in a bang form. In the front of it is going to be short. And for those people who have problem with the edges, this headband wig actually help to hide your edges. Just before I get into that video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much. So let's just get right into the video. So I'm not going to be doing too much talking because I don't think I'm pretty good at explaining what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I did it. For the bang of the wig, I did it separately and then I attach it onto the wig. So I attach the hair onto the dome cap, and then I attach the headband wig with the bang onto the dome cap. So keep on looking if you're interested and watch to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.